The HORGELU Upgraded 8-in-1 heat press machine features a high-efficiency control box that brings unmatched convenience to your printing workflow. I have provided the link to this heat press machine in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This multifunctional device is designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, making it easier than ever to transfer your designs onto t-shirts, mugs, hats, plates, and more with precision and safety. What makes this HORGELU machine stand out is its powerful 8-in-1 combo functionality. It includes a large 15 by 15-inch Teflon-coated platen press, a curved cap press, 2 plate presses, and 4 mug press attachments designed to handle various sizes. Whether you're creating custom merchandise, gifts, or prototypes, this machine is built to support your creative and commercial needs. The 360-degree swing-away design enhances safety by keeping your hands away from direct heat during operation, while the easy slide base and insulated plate cover ensure your workflow is smooth and protected. Another highlight is the upgraded control box, which introduces 2 intelligent features: the counting function and the mode chosen setting. The counter helps keep track of how many items you've printed, perfect for small business owners managing batch orders. The preset temperature and time mode allow you to skip repetitive setup and get right into production with consistent results every time. The heating plate, made from anti-corrosion cast aluminum, distributes heat evenly and quickly reaches your target temperature. 2 heat-resistant silicone mats come included and are designed to withstand up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining shape and performance under pressure. Operating the machine is refreshingly straightforward. You just place your item on the platen, set the appropriate temperature and time, and apply the heated plate over your design. Once the timer runs out, lift the plate and your heat transfer is complete. The system also comes with built-in circuit protection, automatically shutting down in the event of a short circuit or overload, ensuring both user safety and product longevity. The HORGELU 8-in-1 heat press is a complete solution for home creators, crafters, and commercial printing setups. Its combination of durability, versatility, and modern safety features makes it a reliable investment whether you're working on a single project or launching a custom apparel business. With thoughtful engineering and powerful features, this machine is ready to bring your designs to life with professional-grade results.